Welcome to Lesson of Protocols and Standards. In this chapter, we will explore the essential protocols and standards that enable communication and data transfer in computer networks. Let's dive in. TCP IP Protocol Suite. The TCP IP Protocol Suite is the foundation of Internet communication. It is a collection of protocols that operate at different layers of the network stack. TCP IP protocols include the Internet Protocol, IP, Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, User Datagram Protocol, UDP, and many others. Understanding the TCP IP suite is crucial for comprehending how data is transmitted and received over the Internet. Application Layer Protocols. The application layer protocols define the rules and formats for communication between applications. They enable functionality such as web browsing, file transfer, email exchange, and domain name resolution. Examples of application layer protocols include HTTP, FTP, SMTP, DNS, and DHCP. Each protocol serves a specific purpose and facilitates seamless communication between networked applications. Transport Layer Protocols. The transport layer protocols provide reliable and efficient data delivery between hosts. The two prominent transport layer protocols in the TCP IP suite are TCP and UDP. TCP ensures reliable, connection-oriented communication by establishing a connection, maintaining data integrity, and retransmitting lost packets if necessary. UDP, on the other hand, offers connectionless and unreliable communication, prioritizing speed over reliability. Network Layer Protocols. The network layer protocols are responsible for routing and forwarding data packets across different networks. The Internet Protocol, IP, is the primary network layer protocol in the TCP IP suite. IPv4 is the most widely used version, but IPv6 is gaining traction to address the limitations of IPv4 and provide an expanded address space. Network layer protocols play a crucial role in ensuring that data reaches its destination through the most efficient path. Data Link Layer Protocols. The data link layer protocols establish and maintain reliable data transfer between directly connected nodes. Ethernet is the dominant data link layer protocol used for local area network (LAN) communication. It defines the format and rules for transmitting data frames over wired connections. Other data link layer protocols include PPP, commonly used for point-to-point connections, and Wi-Fi for wireless network communication. We hope you found this lesson on protocols and standards informative. If you enjoyed the content, please like this video and share it with others who may benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications about future lessons and updates. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next lesson.